Hello trophies, welcome to this 5-minute rebounder challenge where we are going to do boxing strikes for 5 minutes straight. We are going to ignite the core muscles, the chest, the back, the lats, the shoulders, the biceps, the triceps, the forearms, all the joints involved, and even the face. I'm going to put my face into this position here. It's a firmness that has my lips tight, my jaw tight, my cheeks tight, and I'm going to continue breathing through the nose and lightly flex into the face. And then when the face muscles start to fatigue, I'm going to relax and then I'm going to get back into it. Make sure the eyes are relaxed if you're going to incorporate a face flex. But this is full upper body, so the foundation of our strength comes from the core, and the stability in our bounce, the pump, the downward force comes from the core. So stabilize and flex into the core and visualize your target and make sure every strike is symmetrical. On both sides, we want symmetry. We want to access our strength, and every time the elbow comes back, you're going to feel a stretch through the bicep, and we're going to be activating the chest, the back, the lats, everything. So let's feel it. 5 minutes starts now. Here we go. Feet in a wide stance, heel pumping, core engaged, chest up, shoulders down. Don't squeeze into the palms too tight. Long neck, chin level, mouth closed. Strike in the up bounce. Here we go. Face, core, upper body activated. 9, 8, 7, 6, core flexed, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Shake it out. Thrusting down, release all the tension throughout the face, the jaw, the neck. Bring the shoulders down, let them shake. Slow, deep breaths through the nose. Shake it out. Back twist is next. One hand on the bar at all times. Here we go. Twist, 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 twist. Stretch out the chest, the back, the lats. Cat cow is next. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Forward and back, forward and back. Sink into it. Forward, back, forward, back, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, and done. Amazing job! Everyone, you did fantastic. This is a Jump Sport 350 Pro Rebounder with a wide handlebar, a beautiful piece of equipment. We love the Jump Sport 350 Pro as our #1 recommended bungee unit. We also love the Cellerciser Spring Rebounder with a handlebar as our #1 high resistant, high grade steel spring rebounder. If you are interested in more routines from I Jump Instead, please go to our membership here on YouTube. We have 2 memberships, the Rhythm membership for $9.99, the Trophy membership for $24.99 per month. The Rhythm membership comes with 2 routines every single week, brand new. The Trophy membership has 7 brand new routines dropping every single week. These workouts keep us on Trophy track. They keep us fit, they keep us strong, they help us to build our Trophy body, and they help us to maintain our Trophy body. All you have to do is become a member for this very reasonable price per month, and you have these workouts at your fingertips so you can repeat them, you can do them as much as you want, and you will succeed on your rebounding journey. Thanks for considering that. We love that you like these routines. Please give us likes. It helps us with the algorithm. And if you leave your comments, that also helps us to spread the jumping message. And subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thanks again so much. Become a member. We want you in our memberships. Thanks again, Trophies. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.